When a customer asks to talk to a supervisor, before giving you a chance to help, I want you to use my USA method. This method is good for saying no in general, and it's perfect when a customer wants to go over your head. USA stands for Understanding Statement. Don't deny a customer's request without first demonstrating that you fully understand their frustration or whatever it is they're feeling. It's crucial that the customer feels you know the inconvenience or the problem they've experienced. If they don't feel you understand what they're feeling, they might become more difficult and the call will most likely escalate. Situation. Explain the situation. Break down precisely why you can't give the customer what they want. Remember to use your priming words from the lesson on priming psychology. Throw in the word because, as we talked about. As diplomatically as you can, explain why you can't give the customer what they want. Action. What can you do for the customer? What options can you offer? The action step is where you tell the customer what you can do or you provide next steps. Here's USA in action. So, right out of the gate, your customer wants to talk to a manager. Let's say either the supervisor isn't available in the moment or you know you're empowered to help the customer if they would just let you. Here's how you could deny that request using USA. I respect your request to talk to a supervisor. My supervisor is counting on me to do my job and resolve problems our customers encounter. Will you give me an opportunity to try to solve the problem before we go further? Or will you give me a chance to try to resolve this for you? That's why I'm here. If after speaking with me you aren't happy, I will immediately connect you with my supervisor. How does that sound? This isn't a magic wand approach, but in many cases, when you demonstrate empathy with an understanding statement, explain the situation, and tell the customer what you can do, you will be doing your very best, and many customers will accept your word. Use USA anytime you have to say no. I prepared a worksheet for you to practice saying no in one of your most challenging situations. So grab that sheet before you go to the next video.